friends, today I will start a very beautiful and important lesson, that is human reproduction. Yesterday I switched on the topic, some sexual dimorphism means male and female are different. Then basic phases of reproduction, basic physiology. The steps were spermatogenesis, gametogenesis, insemination, fertilization, cleavage, implantation, then placentation. Placentation means attachment of the embryo with the wall of the uterus. After insemination and fertilization, placentation, then division of the zygote, gastrulation, then organ formation of the embryo, that is organogenesis, then childbirth naturally. And God has given every female the power to give birth to young ones, the female Matri Shakti. In every female in the animals is marvelous. We can't repay the blessings of the mothers. Then human reproduction, male. We will start the male. Male reproduction, you know that there are primary sexual organs, the testes. Testes are the major primary organs, and the other tubules are accessory, like vas efferens, vas deferens, penile, penis, and every accessory. These are helping. And the primary sex organ is testis, and very important. They are present in pelvis region. The testis is covered by scrotum. The tissue fluid makes it fluffy. The scrotum are outside the body because the temperature of the body is 37 and the sperms can be destroyed at this temperature. So nature has made them between the legs, outside the body, and this is called thermoregulation. Then during spermatogenesis, the sperms are formed. The sperms are carried to the vas efferens. The sperms in the testes are formed in the seminal tubules. The seminal tubules are having germinal epithelium. The germinal epithelium produce the I have made the diagrams for you. This is the germinal epithelium. Seminal fluid is being produced in these were seminal testes, seminal cords, sperm cords. The seminiferous tubules make sperms by the meiosis or spermatogenesis. What is the difference between spermatogenesis and spermiogenesis? Spermatogenesis makes spermatids, and spermatids are matured into sperms. Spermatid to sperm journey is called spermiogenesis. Seminiferous tubules are having outside tissue fluid. Tissue fluid has endocrine cells. Endocrine cells are polyhedral. They are called Leydig cells, interstitial cells. Make the male hormone testosterone, by which our mustaches, beard is formed, and the shoulders are broad. Some ego is there in males during the age of a teenage. Very ego due to hormones. Hormone work करते हैं. The hormonal. We are healthy according to your hormones. Yes. Then after seminiferous tubules, there is epididymis. Epididymis has three parts: caput, cauda, epididymis, intestines. This is epididymis. I have made the diagrams for you. This is testes. This is epididymis, caput, cauda, and caudal. Cauda means caudal area. Yes, caput epididymis, corpus epididymis, and cauda epididymis. Three parts. Then vas efferens and vas deferens. Vas efferens is at the end of the seminal seminiferous tubules, and this is vas efferens and this is vas deferens. Vas deferens carries the sperms prepared in the testes to the penis. Then this is all about this very testes you prepare at your home. This is very interesting lesson to study. Then epididymis has three parts. I have told you: caput, corpus, and cauda. Epididymis. Vas deferens is called sperm duct. It is also ejaculatory duct. Then urethra. Urethra is the cord which carries sperms from vas deferens to the penis. Urethra has three parts: prostatic part, membranous part, and penile part. It conducts sperms and secretions to the and urine. Our genital part is urinogenital part because it carries urine as well as sperms. Then penis. Penis is an erectile organ. It has two types of muscles. I have made the diagram for you. You prepare at home by making diagram. Diagrams are very interesting. First of all, you make the diagram of this very male genital system at your home. You have studied it in previous classes. Then you make the other diagram, this, the testes, transverse section of testes. Then you make the diagram of this very seminiferous tubules. Then you make diagram penis, transverse section, two types of muscles. These muscles are corpora cavernosa and corpus spongiosum. When in erectile position, the blood flow is in 10 times. 10 times blood flow, it becomes erect during copulation in simulation. Then there are accessory genital glands. These are seminal vesicles, prostate gland, and Cowper's gland. These produce seminal fluid for the easy lubrication of the sperms, and it maintains it makes the sperm into semen. It has 90%, 80% part or 90% part is of semen is by the secretion of the Cowper gland, prostate gland. It makes acidic. It kills the acidic nature of the urine. So it is very interesting. You study at your home. You make diagram. You make notes. I make notes for you to study. When you study, you write down the important things on the paper, and make the diagram during your study. It is for your convenience. You make the diagram, and then the topic is clear to you. Then you can make any competition, any exam. God bless. Tomorrow, female reproductive system. Very interesting, very important. Thank you.